Good morning, good morning, good morning. And welcome back to Buy Your Time Back, where we use trading as a vehicle to create capital, to live better, to invest, to do all the things we need to do to gain more of our 24 hours back. As always, we have a few setups we look for, and we only execute at that point in time. As you can see, I'm already in a long trade. I got in this trade on the 905 candle, and we were just kind of hanging out, waiting to see, if we got a full fill or not. I didn't want to, choke this one out too early. So we're going to sit in it and, watch price continue to go up. I took the long trade because I like the move to the upside, right? Everything that I'm looking at is pointing, telling me, get long. And then once I saw we start building the base here for the move back up, that's what made me jump into the trade here. So we're going to, watch this one finish up, and then we'll see if there's some other opportunities in the market for us. All right, that was the 9:30. So market is officially open now. It's 9:30, and we're getting a vicious move down off the open. I was expecting the opposite, to be honest with you. But let's see how this one finishes up. So they were testing 45, which was the base initially. All right, y'all. So you'd have heard I said, you would have heard me say I like the long since about like 9 something. So I took the long. I took the long initially in this first account. We got the fill at 53, and this price was moving up at the open. I flipped to my other account, and I took the long there at 50 into 55. I didn't like what I did with this trade, to be honest with you, because I really wanted to get in super quick. I didn't realize I did not have on my ATM strategy. My ATM strategy was set to none. So I had to manually sit here and wait to either exit myself at the target or exit myself where my normal stop loss would be. So I had zero risk management set up, like zero risk management automatically set up on this trade. This trade was purely me jumping in and me having to stop myself either at a target, which is for me normally 5 points, or a stop loss, which is normally 5 points. So that was the one thing I didn't like on this trade, but I did like the move up that I initially saw. I saw we were basing right here. at 45. On the open, we had this quick push down, which was like, whoa, wasn't expecting that. But once I saw how quickly we pulled back up, we tried again here. I was expecting a continuation up. I know we had this imbalance here, this buy imbalance. I knew once we could get past like really 40, between 43. Once we could get above 43, I know we was gonna have a quick sprint up. So I'm happy with that fill. I'm gonna call it a day. I'm not really looking for too much. I might just hang out and see if anything else comes, but I'm not gonna really push another trade. But if it's something easy, the setup there, I might consider it, but I'm gonna keep it tight. I have to keep it tight. Once I'm up on the day, it's easier for me to, just keep it tight. Maybe probably choke out the trades quicker than I normally would. So, but we'll see what I decide to do. But that's it for right now. All right, y'all. So I'm gonna call it a day. I'm gonna go relax. I'm not gonna keep trading. I'm just gonna chill. I'm happy with my two trades. We saw the move up from early. Eventually, the goal will be to find a bottom and just kind of sit in it and slowly move our stopper. But for right now, we're just building the account. We're gonna just keep locking in, small targets. And once we get to a certain point with our account, I think we'll look to allow the trade to keep running as much as possible. But for right now, short wins, build the account, build the confident, and then we'll move on to more big boy things as we get there. So until next time, stay blessed, hang with the best, and we'll be back at it tomorrow.